how to schedule Instagram posts. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to schedule your Instagram posts. Okay, so we're going to click on the Instagram icon and we're going to add a picture. Okay, so we're just going to pick this picture and we're going to click on next and edit if you want, and next. Then you're going to scroll down to the advanced settings. Okay, and right at the top, you can select schedule this post, and then you can decide when you want to post this and the time. And once you've selected that, you can click on done and it will be scheduled. Okay, then you can just type on share and it will be scheduled on the day and date that you have decided. If you want to see your scheduled content, you go to the top 3 bars and you go to the scheduled content and you will see all of your scheduled content. Okay, cool. I hope this was very helpful for you guys. Please don't forget to update Instagram because some of the features won't show if you don't update the latest version. You can do that on the app itself or on the app store that you downloaded it from. And yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more amazing tips.